Can you just walk us through what exactly the AI factory reference architecture is and how it supports building, operating, and optimizing AI ML infrastructure at scale?
We as a company have a long background in building large-scale infrastructure. And we wanted to share that knowledge and that understanding that we have in this new market where people are starting to focus on all the challenges around building GPU-based infrastructure. And I think a key thing about GPU-based infrastructure is that it's not just about the GPUs, it's about the whole infrastructure stack. And in many ways, we've moved back to the world of the mainframe, where applications are tightly coupled to the whole infrastructure stack. And so we wanted to show the work that we've done and the requirements that need to be put in place to build effective large-scale infrastructure stacks that can support application contracts for infrastructure.
These systems are a very different architecture than the typical enterprise data center, but they have a lot in common with traditional supercomputing or high performance computing systems, with which both Shaun and I have some previous experience with. And so it's really important to help people understand those differences and why things like non-blocking networks and maximum east-west traffic matters, why minimizing latency matters, all these things related to making your GPU-based applications effective. And so we really want to be able to get into real depth about that. That's why that white paper is, 80 pages, Shaun, I think, 65, 80 pages.
And growing. It's a living document, so people should check back regularly to see as we add to it and as we expand on it.